These are the elevators at the Salk Pavilion at the University of Pittsburgh in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In case the elevator is out of service. These have Innovation Bruiser or pneumothorax fixtures. Can't tell which ones these are. EPCO lantern. That's 5. Interior go up. It's one of these ones where you have to double click or press and hold the buttons. Here at 5. There's a service elevator there. It's tall and has 2 speed doors. Most likely hospital size type. Go back down to 1. 88 phone. Class A loading. Basic stainless steel cabins. Elevator number 9. These are pretty nice and fast. I don't know what brand these are at all. They're back at 1. Now try the service elevator. Six. That's actually locked. 5. This one is Class C1 loading. Interesting. Elevator 10. This one has louder brakes. Here at 5. Back down to 1. Here's your lockout, probably for 6. Door hold is a bit stuck, it looks like. 88 phone. Basic padded elevator. Very smooth. These elevators, I think, are from around the early 2010s, maybe. Here, back at 1.